Okay, here's the Sony A6000 camera. Let's see how to shoot photos with different color styles. So currently it's set to the standard profile. Let's just take a picture with that setting. Okay, and to change it, let's take a look here at this monitor. So let's use the menu. Press the menu button and let's go here to the first icon. Up and to the left, first icon, and come down to the fourth page. And here on the fourth page we have creative style. Go to creative style. Currently it's set to standard. Okay, and standard is visible there. Let's go down to vivid. Okay, and let's capture a photo this way also. Okay, so on the left side is the standard and on the right side is the vivid image. We have neutral, clear, deep, light, portrait, land, maybe landscape, sunset, night, autumn, black and white, sepia, standard one, vivid, and those are repeating.